Yo, what's up guys? This is Leah TV and right now, bibigyan ko kayo or this is actually a short video tutorial para sa mga nagtatanong kung paano ka gumawa ng page, gaming page, especially dun sa mga gustong matutong mag-streaming. So, this is how you can create a page na pwede kang kumita ng pera. And let's start. So, of course, you have to log into your Facebook account. And as you can see in the screen, ito yung mga pages na admin tayo. So the first thing that you need to do is go to the button right here, create new page, and then get started. If this is going to be a community or a public figure, business or brand, so we choose, ito pipiliin natin is community or public figure. Of course, you have to create your name. It's up to you kung anong gusto nyong pangalan. So, like, try natin like TV official. Then category. TVs. Invalid daw, invalids. And then watch TV. Okay. So, yun nga, magkakaroon naman siya ng red na gano'n pagka invalid. But, on the category, I have to put here video gaming video creator. So, importante yan. Napaka-importante na gaming video creator yung lalagay natin. And then hit continue. Kasi pag gaming video creator, siya yung sa Facebook gaming, mag-level up siya. And also, I'm gonna explain to you later kung ano yung sabihin ng gaming video creator. But for now, you have to, I think you need to skip on this one. And first page actually is mag-upload ka ng picture mo. So, upload lang yung picture niya. Dito naman yung cover photo. So, whatever picture that you want to put in here, it's up to you. Skip natin yan. So, ito na siya. Lex TV. This is a sample page na ginawa ko. Gaming video creator para part ng level up programs. Madali na dito. Actually, pwede nyo i-customize or explore kung ano gusto nyo gawin sa page nyo. But for now, let me show you kung paano kikita kapag nag-level up ka na. Anyway, pakita ko lang sa inyo, pupunta tayo dito. Natin yung gaming video creator. As you can see right here, ito yung gaming video creator. Actually, this is the page. Ina-handle natin to. Pakita ko lang sa inyo. Itong page na to is, ito yung requirements actually pag gumawa ka ng bago. So, create or switch to a gaming video creator. Kaya yung sabi ko kanina, dapat yung description ng page na is gaming video creator. So, ito na siya. Ito yung requirements. Ito yung requirements actually para kumita ka ng pera or makapag-send, makareceive ka ng stars sa mga viewers mo. And then at the same time, yung stars na yun, i-convert mo siya sa pera. So, right now, first, create video or switch to gaming video creator. Ito yung mga requirements na streaming video gaming contents for at least 4 hours in the last 14 days. And streaming video gaming content on at least 2 days in the last 14 days. Itong page na to actually na-reach niya na lahat na yan. Have a 1K follower. Actually, yung page na to have 17K followers so far. So, na-reach na naman yan. Streaming for eligible country, so Philippines. If you're in the Philippines, of course, eligible ka. And then meet community standards. So, madali lang kuhanin to. As long as hindi ka nag-upload ng ibang video, huwag kang kukuha ng ibang... Actually, click nyo lang yung mga link na to. Ito yung list. Click mo yung link na to, eligible country. Makita mo yung list ng mga eligible country na pwede mag-stream. And then, ito naman, community standard and partner monetization policies. Click nyo lang yan kung gusto nyo basahin. Masyadong haba. So, hindi natin nasama sa video. And once na na-meet mo na siya, since Going back with the one that we created, ito yung bagong video. Kailangan mo lang gawin lahat ng nandito sa may Creator Studio. Kailangan mo lang siyang gawin lahat para makapag-apply ka. So once na yung bago mo na to, normally within actually 5 or 6 days lang, pwede mo na siyang makuha. For example, kung magkaroon ka agad ng 100 followers in just a day, kaya yan, doable. Kailangan mo lang mag-stream ng 4 hours and above, or at least 4 hours yung pinaka-minimum in 2 days. So, itong page na to was only switched to gaming video creator for 6 days, and eto na siya na kompleto niya na lahat since marami siyang followers. So, kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung apply. But again, guys, from creating, kailangan mong gawin, pag naka-create ka na, kailangan mo lang gawin lahat ng to, and then you will be able to receive a star. Pero, kung paano, click natin yung apply dito. Masyado mahaba para basahin, pero kung trip yung basahin yan, pwede yung basahin. Let's click agree here. And then set up stars. Okay? So, from here, of course, hindi ko i-set up to yung payment because hindi ako yung owner ng actually admin ako dito. Admin lang ako pero hindi ako yung owner ng dito, page. Okay? So, yung page ko, ako ang admin, nag-set up ako dito ng bank account ko, which is N2711 yan. Hindi ko na sasabihin kung paano yan. Basta i-click nyo lang yung add nun, actually i-set up kayo kung gusto nyo PayPal, via PayPal, or via bank account, like what I did. So, andito na rin yan. On the right side, anyway, just to make sure na nakakasubmit kayo, ilalagay ng, kung paano makita tong Creator Studio, ganito lang yan. Type nyo lang fb.gg dito sa URL bar or navigation toolbar. And then fb.gg/streamer. Ito na siya. Click nyo lang to. Double up Facebook. And fg.gg. Ginawa ko naman. Pero click nyo lang yon, guys, and you will be able to go here in the Creator Studio, which is yeah. Makikita nyo dito kung marami kayong page. Pero pag isa lang yung page nyo, isa lang yung lalabas dito, of course. So, yun lang yung siya, paano siya makita. And then, dito naman, once na nakapag-add ka na for the payout, pwede ka na mag-set up dito to set up to receive a star, of course. Once na nakapag-apply, set up mo na kung paano ka makareceive ng star about the payout. Napakadali na yan. So, ganun lang yan kasimple, guys. Yan, ganun lang siya kadali. Basta pag naka-create ka na ng account, like what we did right here, create the page and then make sure na gaming video creator siya. Then, magpapakita sa inyo yung mga requirements, which is we already discussed. And then, gaming video creator, alam niyo na kung saan pupuntahan yan. Set up lang kayo dito ng payment. O, lalagyan nyo lang yung mga information nyo if you're gonna do bank. Yan lang yung way para kumita kayo ng pera. Gamit ang Facebook and Facebook live streaming, whatever the online games that you want to do. And about sa Facebook streaming, guys, kung gusto nyo, gagawa rin tayo ng tutorial kung paano gawin yung streaming na yan. Just make sure na mag-leave lang yun ng comment if you have some requests about any software na gusto nyo magkaroon ng tutorial. But gagawin natin yung tutorial kung paano mag-stream and what's the software that you need to use para mag-stream. And then if you like the video, don't forget to hit subscribe para marami pa tayong video tutorial na magawa in the future. So don't forget to click subscribe. And again, guys, this is Leah TV and goodbye. And kita-kits ulit sa mga susunod nating videos and tutorials. Okay? Bye now.